Well, back to the drawing board. Let's see what we can do about that. So what we have here is a little bit of a binding differential. Let's see if I hold it down, it starts spinning, but then it slowly stops again. So you'll see here, I've opened up the rear diff case, but my rear differential is still binding, and I also have a problem in the front too. There's a little bit of play in this differential. Probably should take it apart. Let's see what we can do about that. I cleaned out the differential and added a thin shim. The rebuild seems to have done the trick. You can see I have even power distribution. One thing about the TA02 that I love is that you can just open up the gear cases and work on the diffs. Got the front one open here. And I was working on the TA02 and I came across this one idea that I think I could share with all. This is a gear diff for the TA02. It uses these hardened steel outdrives, but I noticed that this one was missing a pin. So I was looking around my shop and I found an old spoke. The rear one is pinned together through the center. I wonder if I can do it with this one. Alright, I figured it out. This is the center drive of the differential. It's 3 gear, 3 bevels, you know, probably familiar with this. And it looks like I can fit this spoke through the center. And what that will do is allow us to run our outdrives bound by an axle. It was free floating before. I don't know why. Maybe I'm missing the pin, but this is a good hack, I guess, to get some differential efficiency. Just put the pin in. At first it was super bindy, but then it snapped in and I was like, whoa, it's super smooth now. Look at that. It's actually pretty good. Hey, look at that. Everything's fine now. The diffs are back to normal. Love these diffs. Ta-ta for now.